Hello everyone, welcome back to Gary the Garden Novice and welcome back to my allotment plot. Today I'm just doing a bit of early morning pruning and clearing in my polytunnel. This side of the tomatoes are finished. They were sun gold and they didn't do too well this year, so I've just stripped off what is ripe and what is nearly ripe, and I've took the plants out, cut the plants up into little pieces in the wheelbarrow there, and I'm going to put them in the compost. So I'm going to clear this area of the bed. There's still a cucumber down there. I think that's going to go as well, because I think it's just about finished fruiting now. I've had dozens and dozens of cucumbers. I'm sick of looking at cucumbers, and I get the weeds and things cleared out the back of these beds. Get this prepared, ready for winter vegetables to grow in here. So let's get cracking. Well, as you can see, that's this bed cleared away. There's a big dock leaf or something in there, so I'll dig that out from the other side and pull it under the panel of the tunnel from the other side. And then that's this bed just wants raking over and cleaning up a bit more, ready for planting the next lot of crops. Right, let's make a decision on this cucumber plant. It still looks quite healthy, so let's have a look, see what cucumbers are on it, and let's decide whether to keep it or lose it. They're quite skinny little cucumbers on this one. There's one there. Yeah, there's one there. Looks like it's the only one left. Yeah, it's only one left, so executive decision, cucumber is going, so let's get it out. That's my cucumber out, so let's get this chopped up small pieces in my wheelbarrow into the compost bin, and I'll clear this bed of weeds, and that's another bed ready for winter growing. Right, let's just tickle the top of this soil, break up any lumps, and I'll get it raked over. What I do for this, I use a 3-point gripe, a garden cultivator, just for going down a couple of inches, just to rake the top of the soil, loosen it up, then I'll rake it over with a rake. Just freshens it up a little bit. I did put a lot of compost manure on these before I put the tomatoes in, so I won't need much compost on there. Right, that's the cane. Very dry this. Wouldn't care, I give them a good soaking in water. Very nice. So I'll give that a rake over, and that'll do for this bed. Right, it's starting to look a lot tidier now. And 2 beds have been raked over. I put a bit of rotted horse manure on the top just to refresh the soil. Took the weeds out, went to the other side and took that dock out. Cleaned my shelves. Actually this one can go back down now, it's dry. So this side's looking quite tidy. It needs the panels all cleaning again, but I'll do that another time. Tomatoes, looks like I've got another harvest today. Quite a few on those. Yes, a few on these ones as well. All ripening nicely. Quite a lot down here. This is a Shirley variety. Look at all them. So I'll be taking those off today. Right, that's it for today. Done quite a bit this morning. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for joining me at my allotment in my polytunnel. And then I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.